update coming in from Delhi on how certain migrant laborers are trying desperately to escape from their respective locations back to their hometown. So one such case was intercepted in Kotla Mubarakpur in Delhi, where a truck carrying 25 migrant laborers was stopped, and it was later found out that this truck had come into Delhi with essential commodities, but after offloading the commodities, the driver actually lured these migrant laborers, of course extracting money from them, saying that he can take them back to Madhya Pradesh. On its way back, this truck was intercepted by the police in Kotla Mubarakpur, and the laborers were rescued from this truck. Like I said, the Madhya Pradesh, in Madhya Pradesh, Chhatarpur is where this particular truck was traveling. He picked up laborers, the driver picked up laborers from Narela, Bhavana and Rithala, all industrial areas in Delhi, after charging 1,000 rupees. The truck reached Kotla Mubarakpur, and that is where, when the police caught them. Let me go across to Alok Singh joining me with more information on this. So Alok, we are reporting many similar cases of how migrant laborers are resorting to desperate measures to escape their situations, but police has been maintaining extra vigil. Tell us more about this case that was detected in Kotla Mubarakpur.
Well, yes, absolutely. This is a very shocking case. Because why we are shocking? Because these laborers are desperately want to go back to their home, despite Uttar Pradesh government is taking all the decision that the way that they could bring these migrant laborers back. But these migrant laborers are trying their way so that they could reach to their hometown. This incident happened in Kotla Mubarakpur, that is that is in South Delhi's area, when there were 25 migrant laborers that include women and children. They were trying to go to UP and Bihar, to Madhya Pradesh, to Chhatarpur area in Madhya Pradesh, were sitting in a truck. And when they reached to Kotla Mubarakpur, there were police personnel, so there was checking what's happening, and they caught them. However, no action was taken against these laborers, but the truck driver has been arrested, and the vehicle has also been impounded. Not only that, one more incident happened in Simapuri area, that where 65 kind of people who were trying to go to UP and Bihar, they were also caught in the same way, that yesterday night only, and now they are all sent to shelter homes. However, the truck drivers are now arrested. So these kind of incidents, similar kind of incidents, are coming to light from various places in the national capital. We hope that the people who are stuck in Delhi, those migrant laborers who are still stuck in Delhi, UP government will send the buses so that they could also go back to their home. Back to you.